Hey everybody, it's 11:13 and 47 seconds on October 18th. This is the drawing for the X-Men 94 graded 7.5. First new team in the title. Over here are the 23 filled spots. Gonna roll our 3 dice. The number is 12. We will randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 12th roll will win the book. I'm going to ship it out in today's mail. So best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here comes the final one. 12. Spot 10, Hal Kleinman. Congratulations. You sure bought enough spots to hopefully guarantee your win, so good job there, Hal. Time is 1:14 and 40.